So in this video, I'm gonna show you the very basic parts of this Scratch 2.0. By defaultly, you will get this sprite which is named as cat. Okay, this cat is named as sprite 1. If you wanted to delete, just tap on that, right click on your mouse and delete. Now select a new sprite. Let us assume this bowl. Yeah, if you wanted to duplicate it, just right click it again, duplicate. You will be getting one more. Right click on that, duplicate. I'm repeating this for your convenience to get a good practice. Okay, so I'm just placing it over like this. These are the bowls. How many duplicates you are creating? It is naming like bowl 1, bowl 2, bowl 3. If you wanted to click on a backdrops, here you are getting stage backdrop, right? So go to the new backdrop, choose backdrop from library, click on that. So you can select any one of the backdrop which you like. Any backdrop. I'm just selecting this and sparkling. It looks good. Just work accordingly, according to your wish. This will be, and the second like this. So now I'm going to the scripts. I will explain you each and every script. Don't skip the class. So now when you click on these backdrops, you're not getting any commands. Okay. When you click on the backdrops, you don't get any commands. It's completely empty. When you click on this bowl, you will be getting the scripts. Okay. You'll be getting the scripts where you can add. You can add these scripts. So now events block, this green flag is used to start. Every time it's green flag, it's very bored. I'm changing it and I'll show you. The green flag, move 10 steps. So click on the green flag here. So it's observe, it's moving 10 steps, right? Now instead of the green flag, I'm just attaching the other block, which is space key. This means that whenever you click on the space key, it is working. See, only when you click on the space key, it is working. Even on your keyboard also, you can click on the space key. It starts working. Okay, so it is going to the edge, right? At that time, you have to use this if on edge one. So it will come back. Now the bowl is reverse, right? There is a, you can give the command to make it to the original position also. I'll show you. See how it is working. So instead of the space key, I'm just using the other block when this sprite is clicked. So I'm just showing you 3 varieties of programs. If this does not go very fastly, just delete that. That's okay. So when this sprite is clicked, that means whenever we are clicking either on the sprite or else on the command, it starts working. Which starts working? This 10 steps. 10 steps means it will move only one step. Observe it very carefully. When this sprite is clicked, see it is moving only one step. For suppose if I'm changing it to 100 steps, it will move 10 steps. See, it is moving to a certain distance, right? 10 means it is moving one step in this program. Okay, yeah. So when this sprite means only whenever we clicking on this sprite, then only it will work. Okay, see when I click this sprite, then only it starts working. Yeah. So now instead of this, I'm changing it once again. When backdrop switches to, so this means whenever the backdrop is changing from this white color to sparkling, then only it starts moving. You can change it to backdrop 1. See, it's moving and it's working. When backdrop switches to certain backdrop, you can change any other backdrop also, it starts working. This is how it works. So these are the events block. I'll explain the remaining blocks in the next session. So these are the very basic blocks. You can select a backdrop. Already the backdrop is there, right? I just want to make the backdrop to move from this backdrop to the another backdrop. So go to the looks block and change the backdrop to switch backdrop to sparkling. Yeah. See, it is moving continuously now. When backdrop switches to sparkling, moves 100 steps if on advanced switch backdrop. I don't include any of the forever also, but it is running continuously. Now if I take again the backdrop to backdrop 1, it starts moving continuously still. Okay, so this is how it starts working. Keep watching my series. I am just explaining daily 2 or 3 blocks in the session. In today's session, I have discussed about the events like when we click green flag, what is happening? When we click on the space key, whatever happening? When we click on this sprite is clicked, what happening? So when backdrop switches to sparkling, what happened? Again, I click on this, then it starts stopping. When you tap on this, it starts working. When you tap on that, it starts stopping also. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.